Hey guys, something's been heavy on my heart, and this is the Charlie Kirk versus George Floyd deaths. Um, I'm gonna read my script because otherwise I forget half the stuff I'm thinking. Charlie Kirk's death hit me hard. Millions of Americans came together to mourn. Stadiums filled, college campuses held memorial. Sports arenas paused for moments of silence. State Farm Stadium was full, and Desert Diamond Arena had thousands outside who couldn't even get in. The atmosphere was unity, forgiveness, love, praising God. Now compare that with the aftermath of the George Floyd death, which was a completely different beast. Instead of unity, we saw cities set ablaze, police stations attacked, businesses looted, innocent people hurt. The tragedy became an excuse for chaos. This wasn't about justice anymore. It was about pure chaos and destruction. Here's the real difference. One side comes together in prayer. The other too often uses tragedy as fuel for violence. I'm not saying everyone on the left acts this way, but the loudest voices did. And I say this as someone who votes common sense, not party lines. I'm an independent. Now let's be real. Some people on the right reacted by calling employers for those who mock Kirk's death. That's not the answer either. If a company makes a choice about an employee, that's their decision. Us turning into cancel mobs, that's no different than what we criticize the left for. Yeah, if you want to call an employer and turn somebody in for their opinion, you're not practicing the First Amendment. And the only thing the First Amendment guarantees is we don't go to jail for our opinions. We don't get locked up as political prisoners. Okay, it does not guarantee jobs. It does not guarantee relationships, followers, anything. So, but calling people's employers, dude, what are we in kindergarten? I mean, I realize some bad shit happened and some bad people said some bad stuff. But dude, grow up. And do you think Erica Kirk would have wanted that? I mean, yeah, I'm gonna say it's some fucked up shit when you call somebody's work of employment. I mean, there's only one guy that I've seen that I'm actually happy lost his job. And that's the guy that led the DEI department for Microsoft. And I honestly don't feel bad for that guy once I learned what he did, but not the point I'm trying to make. Anyways, celebrate the downfalls of murderers, rapists, terrorists, pedophiles, people who've chosen to destroy lives. But to hate, cancel, or even kill someone for just their opinions, that's dangerous ground. That's like punishing someone for simply existing, which they did, you know. The truth is, some people commit crimes so evil that society has to act, and justice is deserved. But destroying lives just for thoughts, beliefs, or words, that's where common sense, compassion, and fairness have drawn the line. I mean, if you literally look at, I'm going to blame Biden for this, but because he opened up the border and indirectly allowed women to get murdered, U.S. citizens to get murdered. I do blame him for that. Trump closed the border. I haven't heard of a death since then from an illegal. Could have forgotten one, but I don't remember. But when it comes to, I don't know, it's always all common sense. And I don't believe burning down a city for revenge and I'm sorry, I'm going to say what it is, that George Floyd was an asshole. You know, did he deserve to die? Well, I didn't know him on person. I'm going to say no, but from what I understand, he was a abuser, a drug addict, a drug dealer, just not a nice person. So, I don't know. I didn't know him personally. So I'm going to say no. And I'll never know him personally, obviously, because he's dead. But anyways, I did know Charlie Kirk, I've watched hundreds, if not thousands, of hours of him on YouTube, and great guy, intelligent guy, a guy that led his life with faith for Christ. You know, so yeah, that's that. So just wanted to get that off my chest and out there into the world. But I think that I don't think that two wrongs make a right. So, peace.